Are you worried your DuckDuckGo history is still lurking there even though you think you cleared it? In 30 seconds, I will show you exactly how to delete it all. No guessing, no digging through confusing settings. First, we are going to open your DuckDuckGo browser. Then, I will walk you through these simple steps to wipe everything clean. So, let us start right here with the browser already open on your phone or computer. The key thing to understand is that DuckDuckGo actually makes this simple, but the option is tucked away in a menu you might not think to check. That is what trips people up. But once you know where it is, it takes about 10 seconds. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. See those 3 horizontal lines? They look like a little stack of pancakes or a hamburger icon. Go ahead and tap on that. This is your main menu, and it is where all the important controls live. You will see options for bookmarks, settings, and our main goal today. From that menu, you want to hover your mouse over the option that says History. If you're on a phone, just tap on it. Now, here is where it gets really quick. A submenu will pop out to the side. Instead of clicking into History to browse through everything, you are going to look directly for the option that says Delete All History. This is the shortcut that saves you a ton of time. Go ahead and click on that. A small window will pop up just to make sure you are serious. It will ask you to confirm by clicking a button that says Delete. Click that one final button, and that is it. Done. Your entire browsing history for the DuckDuckGo browser is now gone. And here is the really important part that I have tested myself. This does not just hide the history, it completely removes it from your device. So if you are sharing your phone or computer with someone, or if you just prefer that nobody knows what you have been searching for, you are now fully protected. From feeling a little exposed and not sure if your history was safely cleared, you can now confidently delete everything in seconds. Your privacy is in your hands. Thanks for watching.